What's up, guys and girls? I really appreciate you all for being here on HFTRADESCOM. Go and tell your friends, tell your loved ones, tell the basketball player you know, the music artist you know, the entrepreneur, investor that you know, and let them know about us. So in this video here, we're gonna be showing you how to open up your MT4 account. It's gonna be very easy, and it's roughly the same way as you open up your MT5 account, but without some of the other adjustments. The only reason you would need to open up an MT4 account if you did not choose the HFT option. And also to let you know, ladies and gentlemen, the MT4 option is a great option. It can make the same amount of money or more money than the MT5 option. However, from my opinion, it does have a slightly higher drawdown, but it also has a slightly more, very big, large amount of profits compared to the HFT, just being honest. Alright, so here we go. You can read up on Hugosway, Trader's Way, whichever one you like. Out of the two, there's pros and cons to everything, and with these two, the pro and con is Hugosway. I like their easy, simple way to add money to your account. In Trader's Way, I like their spreads better compared to Hugosway. But here we go. Let me go ahead and open up with Hugosway because that is the first choice that I would choose, and I have tested more on Hugosway than any other software. Not software, any other terminal. Broker actually, any other broker terminal. However, I am going to add on other brokers such as Oana and IC USA Markets, just a lot more of them. But for right now, we're going to just stick with Hugosway and in Trader's Way. And out of the two, preferably Hugosway. So let's go. All you do is take your mouse, click right on Hugosway. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's clicking, and voila. Okay. So you go here, it says open live account. Open live account. We're going to open a live account. So let me put my name. So you're going to put your name in these same places, just like this. Password. I agree to the terms. Open account. Before you click open account, confirm that your email address is good to go. Just double check. I'm a strong believer in double checking. Okay, and that's it. Click open account. Oh, I'm sorry guys, they don't allow characters in your name. So now there we go. Now click open account. See, but that's perfect. That's a lesson for everyone else to also see. Success, an email has been sent. Okay, let me pause the video. 1 second, I'll be right back. Alright, here we go. Perfect. You log into your email that you signed up with. Once you log into your email, you go into the email that you received from your broker, which is usually the first initial email. You're going to see a message like this. Welcome to Hugosway. Thank you for choosing Hugosway as your broker. And then you go ahead and you click complete sign up. Alright. So I'm going to blur out some of this stuff here. So hold on 1 second. As you can see, the stuff is self-explanatory. It's telling you to complete the sign up. You put your name, you put your middle name if you like, your last name, your email address, same one that you already, actually it's already filled out for me. I just need to complete the rest. So all I'm doing is completing the rest, putting this stuff in. Actually, you know what? No, yeah. So hold on one second, guys. Go ahead, if you're following along with me, complete this information with me so we can go on to the next stage. I give you a few seconds. Okay, perfect. Once you have completed the remaining of your sign up, you just go in, type in your email address, the one that you signed up with. And you also input the password that you created. Click login. It's loading. Boom, voila. Now you're in the back of your trading account. Okay, so, alright, so the next thing you want to do is you want to fund your account. You already know that we're looking for you to have at least $400 minimum into your trading account. If you're going to work with us and even maybe do the trial program, we also have some other options where you can, maybe you can do less, but honestly, we would say at least $400 minimum is the best thing for you to do. If you would ask me, what do I recommend? Okay, so, one second. Okay, so right here is where you will go to upload any documentation. They're not asking you, Hugosway is pretty good about not asking you about any documentation up front, but you can receive an email at any time. Plus, you don't want your money on hold or anything, so I suggest to go ahead and just do it. But if you don't do it, it's not a deal breaker. So you click documents here to the left on your screen. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is click your drop down. You want to click on photo ID. You want to click which photo ID you want to use. Either one will suffice. However, driver license is probably going to be the most common one. If you don't have driver license and you have ID, then upload your ID. If you have passport, upload your passport. Either one is good. But more people are going to do driver license. So let's just do driver license. Once you do driver license, you can click on here. And it'll take you to stuff on your desktop. So you can choose. You can choose your desktop if your ID is there. You can choose download if your ID is there. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. And if you don't know how to get your ID onto your computer, then all you need to do is take a picture of it with your phone. You can send it to your email. Log on your email. Could be the same email address that you created your broker account with Hugosway. And then once you log in your email, you download your ID from your email. Simple as that. So, okay. So that's one form of identification. They normally usually want two, no matter what broker you go with. Alright, so second, we want to come down here. We want to click proof of address. Then we want to include one of these. Bank statement, credit card statement, utility bill, etc., etc. So, you could choose either one, whichever one is easiest for you to get. But try to make sure that it is the same. Everything matches from your ID to your to the address that you sign up with the broker with, to your bank statements. But if it doesn't match, say like your ID, personally my ID has a different address than my proof of than my bank statement. But it's fine. I just try to make sure my proof of address is the same thing as the address that I utilized when the account came up. So since they're asking for proof of address, you want to make sure at least the proof of address document is the same as the address that you signed up for. IDs, people move and stuff all the time. But your most recent documentation should come from the most recent address that you live at right now. Okay. All right. Once you do all of that, since we have a little bit more time, I'm going to show you how to load your account. Okay, let's go to the deposit funds. All right, so first thing you want to do, you want to deposit funds. We want to select the wallet that the currency we want to deposit in. All right, so me personally, I choose Bitcoin simply because it's easier for me to deposit in Bitcoin. You could do it right from your CASHAPP app. Right here, you choose your deposit amount. So let's say I want to do $400, which is the minimum that we require anyway. Okay, $400. So I'll turn around and I click proceed. Okay, I take that back, guys. I'm wrong. So you want to do USD, then you want to do Bitcoin, then you want to do the amount, which would be the 400, and then you click proceed. Now you can do 4,000, you can do 40,000 if you want to, but we just recommend 400. So then you click proceed. Once you click proceed, it should give us a Bitcoin link. Boom. There you go. You have a Bitcoin address. So then we take this Bitcoin address here, and like I told you in the FX winning video, you take this Bitcoin address here, you can email it to yourself, you can go on Google Voice and then text it to yourself, do whatever you need to do to get it in a place where you could just copy and paste. The whole point is copy and paste. Do not try to type this in verbatim, because you can make a mistake. The average human is going to make a mistake, just period. So copy this in, and you have, as you can see, 59 minutes to copy it in, and that's it. That's it. Simple as that. It tells you how much Bitcoin you're doing. So in this video here, before we leave, just a quick review. You should have know how to go on the website and find the MT4 link for Hugosway. It's also within the form field that you go through on step 1 when you're choosing your option. It's also in the area under step 1 that on the website page that shows you how to either set up the FX winning account or the Hugosway account. But we're only talking about MT4, so we're talking about Hugosway, or your other option is TradersWay, and you can use any broker that you want for our MT4 software. However, just know the slippage and the execution could be off. So, okay. The next thing that we taught you as well is we taught you how to upload your documents to your Hugosway. That's going to verify your account and make sure you have no hiccups when you might want to receive your money, and then they hit you with an email saying, hey, you never verified, but you needed that money that day or within a few days, but now you have been delayed because you never verified your account. So I suggest go ahead and verify your account with your documentation. Okay, the next thing we showed you is how to, which was the last step, last thing we showed you is how to fund your account. Fund your account with at least a minimum of $400, and then we can proceed. But like I say, ladies and gentlemen, this is a great program. We have many different options. Tell a friend, tell your church, tell your school, tell your students, tell your college professor, tell your pastor, tell your doctor, but don't tell your lawyer. Hey, let them email me first, but tell everyone that you possibly can, and we'll make sure that we work something out with you and reward you for your efforts. But at the same time, you're helping another person. Once again, disclaimer: we are not telling you to invest. We're not telling you specifically how much to invest. This is a trading software that's going to sit by and teach you while it's profiting at the same time. Thank you.